First open a web browser, it can be Chrome or Safari. Next type in Piccrew in the search bar. Then pick an avatar maker you would like to use. I'll show you how to download it later in this video. This avatar maker is called Iroiro Maker. If anyone wants to use it, it will be the description down below. Piccrew is mostly in Japanese, so if you don't speak the language, download Google Translate from your App Store or the Chrome Web Store if you're using a computer. Once you've chosen an avatar, you can customize it however you want. It doesn't have to look exactly like mine. If you want to make a non-anime avatar, skip to 155. Once you've finished creating your avatar, click Complete. Then, tap and hold on the avatar image you just created, until you see a button that says Download Image. The links to the non-anime avatar makers will be in the description down below. You can also find some by clicking on the Hot or Discovery tab in Piccrew. Remember to tap and hold the avatar image you just created to save it. If you are using a computer, right-click the image and select Save Image As. To use this as your YouTube profile picture, go to YouTube, select a channel, and then find and tap the image you just created. I also have some profile pictures that I created and posted on Pinterest. You don't have to credit me, but you can if you want to. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.